Hi friends, నా పేరు నగేష్. Today we are going to discuss numbers. Numbers LCM HCF. Find the number of factors of 48. Here 48 is a composite number. It means more than two factors. One is a factor of 48, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number of factors of 48 is 10. This is the general method, time taking process. Given number n is a composite number. It means more than two factors. N would be taken as product of primes, where A, B, C all prime factors. Prime number A repeated P times, B repeated Q times, C repeated R times. The number of factors will be, here prime number A repeated P times, so P plus 1 times of B repeated Q times, Q plus 1 times of prime number C repeated R times, R plus 1. This one applicable for only prime factors. మనకి బేసిస్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ అయితేనే అప్లై చేయాలి మెథడ్. వాట్ ఇస్ నెంబర్ 48. 48 would be taken as 3 into 16. Here 3 is a prime number, but 16 is a composite number. 16 would be taken as 2 power 4. Here base 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. Prime number 3 repeated one time, 2 repeated 4 times. Now formula is applicable. The number of factors will be power of 3 1, 1 plus 1 2. Power of 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 5, 2 5s are 10. This is the answer. One more example. Find the number of factors of 2400. 2400 would be taken as 24 into 100. 100 would be taken as 4 into 25. 4 25s are 100. 24 would be taken as 3 into 8. 3 8s are 24. Here 3 is a prime number. 8 would be taken as 2 cube. 4 would be taken as 2 square. 25 would be taken as 5 square. Your bases are equal, power should be added. 3 power 1, 2 power 5, 5 power 2. Here 2, 3, 5 all are prime numbers, prime factors. So formula applicable. Now number of factors would be 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 1 3. 6 is 36. Number of factors of 2400, how many? 36. One more example. Find the number of factors of 5 5100. 5100 can be written 51 into 100. 100 would be taken as 4 into 25. 425 is a 100. 317 is a 51. Here 3 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number. So 3 times of 17 times of. Here 4 would be taken as 2 square, 25 would be taken as 5 square. Here bases are prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 17. All are prime factors. 3 one time repeated, 17 one time repeated. Now number of factors will be power of 3 is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Power of 17 is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 9 4s are 36. Total number of factors of 5100, 36. 9 and 4s are 36. Example चलता हूँ. Find the number of factors of the number 46,200. First option 64, 78, 96, 106. 46,200 would be taken as 462 into 100. Product of primes रायाలండి. It is a composite number, it is not a prime number. So 425 is 100. 462 divisible by 11. 11 4s are 44. Remainder is 2. 2 and 2 22. 11 2s are. Here 11 is a prime number. 42 is a composite number. 42 would be taken as 6 into 7. 6 7s are 42. 6 is a composite number. 6 would be taken as 2 into 3. 7 is a prime number. 4 would be taken as 2 square. 25 would be taken as 5 square. 11 times bases are equal. Power should be added. 2 power 3. 3 power 1. 7 power 1. 5 power 2. Can we observe bases are prime factors 2, 3, 7, 5, 11. So formula applicable. 11 one time repeated. Number of factors will be 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 plus 1, 2, 7 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 की weight 8 into 4, 3 is a 12, 8 was a 96. So third option is right. బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది, మోర్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. ఇండివిజువల్గా మీ నెంబర్స్ తెచ్చుకొని చేస్తే వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ న్యూ కాన్సెప్ట్. Find the largest power of 2 in 100 factorial. Find the largest power of 2 in 100 factorial. First we are going to discuss the largest power of 2 in 10 factorial. 10 factorial is a small number. If a clarity was the problem easily చేయగలుగుతారు. 10 factorial. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. It is 10 factorial. What is the meaning of this? Largest power of 2 in 10 factorial. It means how many 2's, number of 2's, how many 2's available in 10 factorial. 10 factorial 2 power ఎంత వస్తుందని మనం చెప్పాలి. 10 is a multiple of 2. 2 5s are. There is no 2 in 9. H would be taken as 2 cube. 7 is not a multiple of 2. 2 3s are. 2 square. 2 power 1. Bases are equal. Power should be added. Power of 2. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. What is the power of 2 in 10 factorial? 8. This is general method. మనం ఈ మెథడ్ చేస్తే చాలా టైం పడుతుంది ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో. Sometimes question will ask largest power of 2 in 1080 factorial or 2090 factorial. Difficult to solve using this method. Second method, second way. Here, largest power of 2 in 10 factorial. 10 when divided by 2. What is the quotient? 5. 2 5s are 10. Now 5 divided by 2. So how many times 5? 2 into 2.5. ఇక్కడ మనకి డెసిమల్ వాల్యూస్ తీసుకోకూడదు, అంటే ఓన్లీ కోషియంట్, లీవ్ ద రిమైండర్ విడిచిపెట్టేసేయాలి. సో ఇంటీజర్ మనం తీసుకోవాలి. 2 2s are 4, రిమైండర్ 1. రిమైండర్ మనకు అవసరం లేదు, విడిచిపెట్టేస్తాం. Here 2 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. Sum of all quotients is the largest power of 2 in 10 factorial. Sum of all quotients how much? 5 plus 2 plus 1, 8. 2 3 problem చేస్తే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. Third one, this method